This is a brand new 2014 Kia Sorento. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, speed-sensitive volume controls, an audio media storage unit, a multi-link rear suspension, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a 6-speaker audio system, rear seat child-proof door locks, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, roof rails, LED taillights, heated side view mirrors, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Fisher Auto is located at 6025 Arapahoe Drive in Boulder. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.